Solving the key 5 challenges of last mile delivery. Last mile delivery has rapidly evolved in just a few years, with new players introducing new rules, new volumes of scale, and new innovations. The game has changed for everyone. This evolution has occurred across 3 delivery types. 1. From traditional logistics, where pre-planning of mass deliveries is solved by optimizing a single courier to deliver 100 plus parcels in specific delivery windows. 2. On-demand delivery, where pre-planning is replaced by real-time decisions, ensuring a network of many couriers servicing hyperlocal delivery zones, enabling new on-demand services from food to groceries. 3. Quick commerce, where real-time delivery has been completely redefined into providing a sub-15-minute service that's faster than popping to the shops. While this evolution has created innovative new delivery networks and services, it has also exasperated existing challenges core to all 3 delivery types, negatively impacting the customer experience and hitting profitability hard. Today we're going to show you how we can solve the 5 key challenges of last mile delivery. The expectation of cost per delivery, or margin for a delivery company, is completely different from reality. If we include the top 5 challenges of address verification, poor driver assignment, limited customer transparency, driver behavior, lack of delivery repeatability, you can clearly see how costs can explode. While individual challenges may not drastically increase delivery costs, combined they can completely eradicate your margin. We see this across 4 different cost centers: reduced customer conversions, customer support due to missed SLAs, futile charge, customer attrition. So how do we solve this? Via a seamless customer experience linked to real-time data integrated with an automated driver experience, directly improving ETAs and reducing customer support tickets through accurate and transparent tracking. Introducing the new mobility and delivery platforms from Google. Singular and scalable global platforms made for delivery with commercially aligned pricing. Imagine using the best delivery technology that Google has to offer, built in collaboration with some of the largest players globally, but only paying when you achieve a successful customer delivery. Google's mobility and delivery platform is broken down into 6 key solution components. Front-end and back-end address delivery verification. Hyperscale driver assignment, where it can allocate the best driver to fulfill the order using actual drive times, vehicle type and capacity. Route optimization for single orders or even mass orders from a single courier, using real-time traffic and even 2-wheel routing. Integrated turn-by-turn navigation to ensure the most direct route to completion, reducing wrong turns, hitting SLAs, and stopping dangerous app switching while driving. Live customer tracking fed directly from couriers' real-time locations, maximizing transparency to increase CSAT. Success-based pricing, allowing you to focus on the best solution and control technology costs. Expedite and cut the expensive development of complex new product features with Google's mobility and delivery platform. The best in-class Google technology, all through a performance-based commercial model. Offer the fastest delivery times, exceeding your customers' expectations every time, in partnership with Oni Group.